Hey friends, happy December. I hope you're having a wonderful start to this new month and this holiday season. This is my welcome kit video for my new members who are going to join in the month of December with the premium starter kit. I love being able to send welcome packs to you as you come onto your wellness journey with Young Living and join our community Wellness to Thrive. It is so fun for me to be able to put these together. So December's does not disappoint, let me tell you that. So I love sending these rainbow cards. They are a great way to introduce you to the oils in the premium starter kit, as well as some diffuser blend recipes, some roller recipes, just some great things to use within the premium starter kit. Your thieves cleaner, because we all know how amazing that is. You got to know how to use your thieves cleaner, or how versatile it is, really. Once you find out, you're just floored. Vitality recipes, because some of the essential oils can be ingested, so helping you learn how to use which ones and what for. And then of course our essential rewards program, safety usage information, dilution information, just all kinds of great things. So you're going to get those cards always from me, because I want you to know what to do when you get your premium starter kit, right? If you just leave it sitting on your shelf, what a horrible thing. But okay, so for December, you guys, oh my goodness, you're gonna get this adorable Christmas with essential oils recipe card. I love this, I love this. And also wellness, winter wellness recipe card. So these have some great recipes for this winter season. But then I've printed out labels to match it. So these correspond to some of the recipes there on the cards. And you're going to be able to put these on your new bottle sets. So I bought this bottle set on Black Friday and it is amazing. I absolutely love it. I think it's a great bottle set to get you started on your oily journey, right? So it comes with 2 of the big 16-ounce spray bottles. But what's also cool is it comes with the caps. So if you wanted to make your fake bleach, you just put the cap on it and keep it stored until you're ready to use it. And it comes with the larger spray bottles, so you can do another DIY, one of the recipes on there. And it comes with 6 of these little room spray bottles. Great for the holidays, to make for gifts for people. Tie an adorable ribbon on there and send it out. You're also gonna get 6 roller bottles. Same thing, they're the great ones with the metal tops too. So this set is awesome. I'm so excited. So you're going to get this from me with those cards as a welcome gift for the month of December, as a thank you for joining Wellness to Thrive and starting your oily journey. So if you get any of the premium starter kits, but this month in December, and I think it stops at the end of December, is our new holiday bundle kit, which comes with this. This is the Sweet Aroma Diffuser. It is actually one of my favorite. I took it in the motorhome. You might have seen my stories about it. It's compact, it's durable, I don't have it on, let's turn it on for you. It's only 2 pieces, so it's plastic. It is great. It makes a mess when you open it, so just know that. But you can cycle through the lighting options on the back, so you can see the ring changing color. And then you can also turn it off, so if you don't want any night light on while you're sleeping or while your kiddos are sleeping or anything, you can turn it off. And then it's got a couple mist output settings, so you just push the button a couple times and it'll cycle through that. So this is a great diffuser, great diffuser. I love it. It's gonna come with 9 oils. So this kit is $150. It's a little bit different than our bigger essential oils kit, but it does come with a hand sanitizer. So you're gonna get a hand sanitizer with it. And you're gonna get 9 oils. And if I can do this without dropping them, let's just see. So it comes with 9 5-milliliter oils. I have these other 2 here because I couldn't find 5-ml ones. So you're gonna get Joy, Frankincense, Thieves, Peppermint, Lavender, Lemon, Peace and Calming, Grapefruit, and Bergamot. So those are awesome. I love this kit. It is such a great kit. And also, you guys, this is why I really want it. It comes with a diffuser case to keep all of these oils in. It's actually big enough to fit like the desert mist in there. So it's great. It's a great one. So those are your options for premium starter kits for the month of December. This is my gift to you, and I cannot wait to help you start your wellness journey, your oily journey, all the good things, and welcome you to Wellness to Thrive. Have a beautiful and blessed holiday season.